This is my favorite program. It's called VMware Player. It's called the cloud. What you do is, what this program does, it's like, you have your own computer, right? Your main computer. This is like a second OS system, operating system. You can install server, Windows 7, Windows XP. Right now I have Windows XP. How do you want to download this thing? I'll give you the link right here. You can go to, it's called filehippo.com, and you would want to download VMware Player, the latest one. Over here, you download this one. It takes around 10 minutes for me. And I'll show you what the program does. First, you want to create a new virtual machine. You go to create. Ah, shit. And you want to download an OS. An OS is like the Windows operating system. Like Windows 7 disk. You see those for $300, but you can get it free on Pirate Bay, or I use Kick-Ass Torrent. If you have an ISO file already, you go to browser. I have it already. Hold on. Let's see, my computer, my external hard drive, right here. This is my ISO file. Once it's done, it's like you put in here, and then it will say Windows XP Professional has been detected. Now you click next. Now it's already pre-product for my my ISO, so I don't need to. So I can continue, and then you can name it Windows XP Pro. Next, and then I put, let's see, I'll put 50 gigabytes. Store, and then configure. I'll give it about 1 gigabyte of RAM, and then finish. Now we wait. And then remind me later. After it, after you installed it, you'll find it at wherever you saved it at. I have it on my external hard drive element, and then it's at Windows Professional, open, and then here's the file. This is where the Windows files at. I mean OS system. OS is operating system. That's what I call it. And then you hit play. Loading. Loading the OS. What the fuck is taking so long? Let's see. Cannot open. Okay. Do you want to try? Yes. Disconnect. Oh yeah. I gotta fix the settings. How to fix the settings? You go to virtual machine settings, and then you would want to. I'll do it later. I don't feel like it. Now it's loading Windows XP. I have Windows Vista installed on my my desktop, my main computer. I'll call it PC1, my PC1. Windows XP is PC2. So it's loading. What I'll be using for Windows XP, testing my viruses. So, you know, the aftermath. What the fuck is taking so long? Windows XP. Windows XP. What the fuck is still loading? Anyway, so I'll be using Windows XP for all my happy shit. I'll be testing out keyloggers, software, some other shit, and some binders, some viruses, trojans,